Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Having been elected as member of the Khasi Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the
I, Rwai, today, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Jingrwai, having been elected as member of Khasi Autonomous Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Bamsmai, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, Ïeng, having been elected as member of Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and adherence to the Constitution of India as by law.
I, Rwai, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of
I, Rwai, having been elected as a member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law.
I, Shwa, having been elected as member of Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law.
I, Khasi, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear
na Batitos Taberkan Masakit Umpat Ukurat Hasil Autonomous District.
I, Shwa, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith.
I, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God
I, Deity H. Najal, having been elected as member of the Khasi
As member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear
As a member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution.
I, Lankasa Babinan, have been elected as a member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that
I, Shwa, Rwai, having been elected as a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
I, Bamsmai, having been elected as member of the Khasi Council, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
I, Dr. Bamsmai, having been elected as member of the Khasi Autonomous District Council, solemnly affirm that I will bear true
faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as my oath establish that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to resign.